Well, it's time to build. If you love construction and drones, then we have something for you. We filmed the construction of a residential home from both the ground and the air over a 10-month period. So let's see what's happening today. Today's episode is episode 10, Waypoints. I kept testing the waypoint a number of times in the morning. I wanted to make sure that the flight path did not cross over any of the workers when they were on the site. But as the framing began, the rain started and I could not fly. The workers continued to work in the rain, putting up the basement framing. I actually had to wait until the afternoon to be able to put the drone up into the sky again. With most of the framing of the basement completed, it was kind of frustrating. I was wondering, it was so rapid in framing the basement, how rapid would the rest of the house get done? But I had to continue to remind myself I was not going to get worried or upset about what I couldn't get. I was just going to worry about what I could. I was amazed that the overhead view of the site showed that the framing corresponded to the plans and the initial framing went up so quickly. I was told it would be at least 3 weeks, but I was having a hard time believing it. I took the opportunities when nobody was on site to practice flying and filming. I got to put together a shot checklist. I began to test tilt to reveals, flyovers, and point of interest shots. I was also experimenting with the camera movement. The muscle memory required to fly and film at the same time was challenging, but every time I got the drone up in the air, I was getting better and better. After the delivery, it was early evening and the workers showed up to begin installing the trusses. They started with the garage first. Well,